At Tennant, we're changing the way the world cleans, one innovation at a time. Tennant Company is a recognised leader in designing, manufacturing and marketing solutions that help create a cleaner, safer, healthier world. When you get behind the wheel of a Tennant ride-on cleaner, you're driving something that has been engineered to perform. The compact and hard-wearing 6200 sweeper delivers a smooth, battery-powered operation with open sight lines and manoeuvrability to get you in and out of a tight spot every time. Dust and debris are no match for its efficient one-passed auto-adjust brush system, and you'll be sitting pretty with a clever multi-level hopper that eliminates manual lifting. For greater coverage while still retaining compact handling, step up to the S20 mid-sized sweeper. With its wider form factor, you can speed up the cleanup both inside and out, with the option to choose combustion or electric operation. Both the S20 and its industrial strength big brother the S30 share many design innovations, including easy control levers for fast-tracked operator training and tool-free instant access to reduce maintenance time and costs. The 3-stage SweepMax dust control system and ShakeMax filter technology combine to maintain indoor air quality, creating a healthy environment for your customers and team. And the whisper-quiet engine and ergonomically designed cab helps to improve operator comfort. In addition, the S30 sweeper uses cyclonic dust filtering, adapting to a variety of surfaces and capturing everything from 0.5 micron dust particles to heavy debris. But for heavy-duty performance in tougher conditions, look no further than the Tennant 800 Industrial Ride-On. Featuring quality steel construction and high-performance dust containment, the 800 has been built to withstand harsh environments. Its wide cleaning path, large multi-level hopper and spacious cab reduces stoppages and maximises productivity. Meanwhile, our Thermo-Sentry sensor protects against overheating with the hopper, a Tennant safety feature built into all of our large sweepers. All of Tennant's ride-ons can be tailored to suit, from special brushes, hoses and wands, through to climate-controlled cabs and steel reinforcing. It's all about helping you create a cleaner, safer and healthier world, with smart machines that are built to last. For expert advice, detailed specs or a live demo, get in touch with a Tennant representative today.